Behind every construction project, there are people. People working together for each other and for all. They are applicators, distributors, specifiers, constructors. At Weber, we believe better buildings begin by empowering those closest to the work. We stand on the ground, hand in hand with the people who make it happen. And we bring innovative solutions that fit their needs and help them go further. Solutions that perform under pressure, systems that work in sync, materials built to last. All of it to deliver sustainable impact. Because shared progress leads to better outcomes. And better outcomes are built on more than high-quality products. They're built on strong human relationships. That's why we unite all our strengths to raise standards and make construction projects matter. So every challenge becomes an opportunity and every partnership grows stronger. Together, we elevate every build, every business, every life from the ground up. Because when people are empowered, the whole industry moves forward. Weber, empowering people to build better.